Okay, I got asked for Tiffany content. I get it. You guys want to see Tiffany content. God, Tiffany, why do you need to make me give content? Apparently, this little wee culvert was enough to do some damage. So now, we're being forced, earlier than I wanted, to put rims and tires on it. Fixing another one of my things, I guess, on Tiffany that I didn't like. So, yeah, wide open to the inside, like not even like remotely, like right through. So, like, hey Joe, like that seems kind of weak. Yeah, I agree. That's like really fucking weak. So here we are. Wheels off, doing a quick inspection. Everything looks good. Spares on. Spares going on. So, gotta go take the truck. They're gonna take some pictures. Basically, need to verify that where the truck is lifted. We are gonna go with 35s. I should be more excited, but I present to you Tiffany in its new shoes. Hey guys, well, it's the day. New wheels for old Tiffany here today. We're on our way to Lloyd Custom Auto Works here. Hooked me up with a set of Black Rhino wheels and some 35-inch AT3Ws. 35 by 12 and a half. So we're definitely going to need mud flaps, kickbacks from 5 Stars here very, very shortly. We'll rock it for a little bit with a bit of poke, a bit. And yeah, it should be pretty good. We did not go with the bro look. We actually went with an 18. So for anybody watching this going, hey, like, what's your tire specs? Well, I went with a 35 by 12 and a half by 18, and it should be, I think it's a minus 12 offset on the wheels. So should be nice. It's gonna change the look of the truck quite a bit. I think you guys are gonna be a little shocked on the actual wheel selection. I've talked about Black Rhino wheels before. Are they any better than an XT wheel? I don't know. That said, if you're interested in a set of 20-inch XT wheels for a Ram 2500 or 3500, let me know. I'm gonna have a set of rims. I'm gonna probably do a burnout video or burnout on the factory on the Chinese 20s, because I got one set. The sidewall is totally trashed, so we don't have much of a choice there. But back to a Falcon. I love the Falcons on my Tundra. I know we didn't talk about the Tundra on my channel at all before. We're very limited. I had it for a very short period. Started this in July. We're basically 2-year anniversary, guys. 2 years of running Joe off-road. I did basically rebrand the channel. We did have some videos from before that are gonna slowly start disappearing, but yeah, so this is my 2-year anniversary gift, I guess. Not really, but anyways, we're gonna get into Lloyd Custom Auto Works. We're gonna take a look at the wheels, the tires, and then we'll be back later today to take video of the truck with the wheels and tires, and then see what everyone thinks.
Too bad, living the dream.
Living the dream. Someone's exactly. They tied it.
Yeah, rude.
Yeah, plastic. Oh. Yeah. And then it's black there, I believe. Yeah. It's gonna change the look a lot. Well, guys, the truck is ready. We're actually on our way. We just went to the shop real quick, dropped Jeep off, and now we're walking over to the tire shop because it's around the corner. I'm excited. It's something I've been wanted to do since day one. Just didn't feel like pulling the trigger. I hate Chinese rubber to begin with. And like I said a long time ago, not a big fan of those XD wheels in general. They've let me down before, so before they could let me down, taking care of the problem. So, I've seen teaser pictures. Oh my. Killed it. I think we absolutely killed it. Down from the color combination, tire size. Anyways, no more cutting to the chase. Straight to it. Let's take a look at Tiffany and her new shoes. Well, ladies and gents, welcome to phase 2 of Tiffany. And I say phase 2 because I've done quite a bit in the last little bit. It's been off camera. I tried to film some of it, but it just doesn't work out. But as you can see, the biggest change thus far are these 18-inch by 9.5 minus 18 Black Rhino Armory wheels. I want a little bit different. And now, why did I go 18s? Well, I wanted a slightly bigger tire, a 35, 12.5, 18 with a 128 load range. Falken AT3W. I'm a big fan of the Falken. I had them on my Tundra. You guys unfortunately didn't get to see much of the Tundra, but man, let's take a step back, take a look, get that nice meaty look. And yes, we are changing things up. I contemplated some 22s, some 20s, some 14 wides. Guys, I went back and forth with quite a few looks, and this was the look I wanted for the truck the most. We're going to be getting into some light overlanding, and that's why we're going to bring the off-road back to Running Joe. Off-road, but we're going to use a 1-ton diesel. We don't see it very often. I was actually going to do my first one tomorrow, but it is a scorcher. It is 38 degrees centigrade, and man, is it hot. But yeah, so we've got Tiffany all dolled up with some new wheels. Unfortunately, not kind of on plan, a little bit earlier than expected, but man, oh man, I love that look. I love this spot, by the way, in Lloydminster. It's a museum. Just provides a gorgeous little scene backdrop. The sails. But yeah, I can't tell you how ecstatic I am. So we'll be working with Ralph from Summit Expedition Trucks on getting a flat deck, an aluminum flat deck for the back of this truck. We'll also be changing up the suspension because the suspension's a little firm at the moment. It's just a 4-inch block lift. We're gonna go with a Thurn Fab front and a shackle. So the truck might come down a hair, not a lot, and that's gonna let us soften up the ride, give us that off-road suspension feel we're after. Eventually, Alpha Rex headlights. Likely we're gonna get some Alpha Rex taillights a little sooner. But man, oh man. I just haven't quite decided what I'm doing with the grill yet. Bumper, I have an idea. I don't know if that'll be part of this phase. It'll be definitely nearing the end of it. I tell you how excited I was to get this done, guys. It's been something I've been effectively 2 years in the works. 2 years this August I worked on getting Tiffany. We got some rework. We're gonna rewrap the truck probably August or September. Hopefully the snow doesn't fly early, so I can drive the Jeep a little bit and wrap the truck. The truck's gonna stay the same color, but we're gonna see some different things down the side to kind of give it a new life. It's necessary. It's time. But I just wanted to kind of, just a quick video today. I wanted to give you guys the new look, the new wheels. By the way, if you're ever wondering, Falken AT3Ws are an amazing tire for anybody. They're super quiet on road. Like, you don't hear them in the cab whatsoever. They're aggressive enough off road that they're still gonna grip. I still needed a 12-ply tire because I want to still be able to tow, because they're Exus, the Jeep, the Acura, Con Artist. So there, guys, I'm gonna end it there. If you liked it, please like, subscribe. Again, Black Rhino Armory. Black Rhino, you guys killed it on these wheels. And every little bit of every sale, guys, of Black Rhino wheels, part goes back to Rhino Recovery. I feel it's important to note that. I'm not sponsored by any way by Black Rhino, but I love some of their selection for wheels, and this was one of my favorites. Actually, it is my favorite. I had one that I thought I liked more till I saw it in person. Man, what a change. What a change. Anyways, if you liked, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.